Alright, hello Mustangs. Um, I am going to attempt to do a customized side exit exhaust. Um, I have little bit experience on exhaust. What's on here right now is a long tube BBK headers. There's no mufflers and no cap, man. And I know what y'all gonna say. That's well, I'm in Florida, so this is the country. It's not the city, and I can understand it for the city, but it's Florida. So but it is a bit loud. It's still loud as it is. But one thing I like about um long tube exhaust is that it's only loud until you on the throttle. Uh, Sorry that again, it's only loud when you on the throttle. Yeah, if it's on cruise, it sounds just like stock. You can barely hear it until you actually get on the pedal. So I don't see the big deal. Only bad thing is when you downshifting, you hear a lot of popping and all that mess. So um, to do this, you need to know how your exhaust is and what's hanging, what's going to get in the way. Um, for those that don't know what a straight pipe is, it is a straight pipe. There's no S pipe or H pipe on it. Um, I'm just gonna try this, see how it is. I didn't really spend that much. If I were to go to a mechanic, it's gonna cost me probably well in hundreds. Again, this is a customized. This is just me. I like doing things myself. If I can't do it when it's absolutely it's beyond my capability, then I will spend the money. Um, that's it. But other than that, if I can find it on YouTube, I am going to do it myself. And that's why the reason why I have a Mustang, so I can do it myself. What car it is? This is not the V6. I did this on my V6, and I put a cherry bomb, which that was a bad mistake. If you're gonna do exhaust for a V6, I'd rather go for a Flowmaster. Stay away from cherry bombs. It's just gonna make your car sound like a Toyota or some Honda. So I'll stay away from that. Even for the Mustangs, I honestly it's gonna sound like a tractor. um, I guess the way how you do it, if you put it at an S bike, probably. But anyways, this is a 50 95. It has a small cam in it. I don't know which cam. They did not tell me. I think this is a 306 or 308, so they can put more room or horsepower in. I guess 302 is limited to like 500, about 450 for the 302. If you brought it to 306, you probably can wiggle some more horsepower in it, but probably maybe 600. But it's probably not going to last that long. But anyway, it's a fun car to have. What I have now, I'm just talking my head off here. How I'm going to do it? Like I said, I'm doing a customized. I have my flat tips here. That's 2 inch. There we go. Damn dog. I recommend doing a flat. Sun's out. It is burning up here in Florida. Flat tips here. Um, it works better, so it won't be on the ground. When I'm hitting the ground, it be just like this. But I'm gonna have it angled down like this, so the exhaust will not come up on the door here. So I'm gonna have it down a little bit. I have my 18s, 18 in lengths, uh, 2 1/2, 18 inch. Here you see the number. Got this from auto discount store. 18 inch long, 2 1/2. That's the size of my exhaust, dual exhaust, with the same 90-degree angle, because I wanted to go on the side. The same one on 90 degree with a 2 1/2 angle, 2 1/2 inch, and you have that little bolt there. You want two of each, or one gonna be on one side, and you're gonna do a lot of cutting. Don't forget your hangers. What I have now is these right here. I have another type of hangers, and since I do not have a welding, I'm going to have to use that welding kind of welding seal for metal. That's the only way I'm gonna have to do it, since I don't have a welder and I'm doing this to customize. That's the best that I can do it, and hope that I can pull this off. I'm gonna try to show you how I do it the best I can. Again, I'm doing this on a smartphone, so it's gonna be a lot of wiggling, and how I got right now is they come straight pipe, straight from the bat. Like again, I just want to do something different. If it doesn't work out, I can just take it off and put it back on. It's no big deal, because I'm doing it for myself, and it's cheap. If I did in Canada again, it's gonna cost me. I would have went up there, all around Florida, and and it got up there like well in the hundreds. They make it sound like you got to be an Einstein to put it on there, and I don't get it. I understand you got to have all that stains on it, but anyways, I'm gonna get everything set up, and I'm gonna try to show you how I do it. Again, I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm not a professional here. I just like doing things myself. Okay. I get back at it.